Hey everyone! If you're a business owner looking to boost your sales, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to shed some light on a powerful strategy that can significantly increase your revenue: upselling. So, what exactly is upselling? It's when you encourage a customer to buy a more expensive, upgraded or premium version of a product or service they are already interested in. Imagine someone buying a basic coffee and you suggest they try the premium blend for just a little extra. That's upselling. Now let me give you a few real-world examples. Think about a car dealership. When you go to buy a basic model, the salesperson might suggest a model with better features like heated seats or advanced navigation systems. Another example, software subscriptions. Someone might sign up for the basic plan, but with a good upselling strategy, they could be persuaded to opt for a premium plan with more features and benefits. But how do you effectively manage and execute these upselling strategies? Enter CRM, Customer Relationship Management Software. CRM systems play a pivotal role in upselling because they help you understand your customers better. With a CRM, you can track purchase history, customer preferences, and previous interactions, all of which equip you to offer more personalized, relevant offers. Moreover, CRMs can automate the upselling process. They can send timely, personalized emails or notifications that suggest upgrades or premium products based on the customer's purchase history. For example, if a customer regularly orders skincare products, your CRM can set up to offer them a luxury skincare kit at a discount, right when they're most likely to buy. But that's not all. CRM systems also help in segmenting your customers. This means you can identify which customers are more likely to respond to upselling opportunities. Not everyone will jump at the chance to upgrade or spend more, so it's essential to target the right audience. In conclusion, integrating CRM into your business isn't just about organizing customer information. It's a strategic tool that can skyrocket your upselling game and, in turn, your revenues. So, if you're not using a CRM yet, it might be time to start exploring your options. You can start with free CRM and transform the way you upsell. Whether you're aiming to increase revenue, enhance customer satisfaction, or streamline your sales process, this CRM is designed to help you achieve success. Link in the description below. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to not miss out on more insights that can help transform your business. See you next time.